Hello and welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial you will see how to click on a button and change something on your screen. So this is a small application. You have the window, button and label, and this is all what you will be using today. So when you click on the button here, the text of the label will change. So this is very easy and I will show you how to do this. So first let's exit and create a new project. Everything here is in Italian, but I hope you understand how to do it. So first we need a Windows Forms and we can call it button test and create a directory for the solution. Okay, so I already did this first. So I will just call it button test 1 because I did some tests before. So here you can change the size of the window and you can change the name. Let's call it, I don't know, test, and the text will be changed here, the name of the window. And another thing that I really like to do is to change the default location to center, but you don't have to do this. So I don't have my toolbox, I will get it from here. And what we need from here is a button and a label. Okay, so you may have the toolbox on this side, that's totally fine, otherwise you can find it there. So what we want to do now is change the name of the button, maybe to something like, I don't know, click. Okay, click. Okay, and then also change the text of the label so we can see how it changes. So before the change, and after we can say after the change. So what we need now is an event listener. So when we click on the button, if you double click on it, you will create the Visual Studio will create the event listener for you. So basically this is an on-click event listener. So whatever you do you want to happen when the button is clicked, you will have to put it inside here. So now because we want to change the label, we will see what the name of the label is. It's label 1 because we didn't change it. So label 1 dot text equals and then quotation marks, and whatever you put in the quotation marks, the text will change to that something. So we said before the change, and this is after. We can just leave after since this is a small demonstration. So when you start the application and Visual Studio compiles it, you will have the window that will appear here. Here it is. So this is our window and you have the button and the text. So before the change, and when you click, the text will change. So this is very basic, but I hope it helps. And if you like it or you have any other suggestions, please let me know. This is my first tutorial video, so I have no idea if it's good or not, but please let me know. And if you want to see more, subscribe. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.